Fertilizer prices are in the headlines and not for the right reasons. With corn planting just a few weeks away in the Midwest, we have a lot of attention on fertilizer trade, fertilizer imports, and fertilizer prices with the outbreak of the conflict in Iran, but also the logistic challenges through the Strait of Hormuz. And so here is a look at the seasonality of U.S. nitrogen imports, specifically anhydrous ammonia, urea, and UAN products. And you can see that the busiest month of the year falls in this March, April, May window for all three of these products. But that's especially the case for urea. About 44% of all urea products are imported between March and May. It's about 30% for anhydrous and UAN products. And so there's a big seasonality for all of these products, but it's especially the case for urea. Of course, how much price pressure we see is also a function of what share of these products we import. We broke that down later on in the articles. About a third of urea is imported. But again, we also have to think about some of the substitution that might be going. So anhydrous ammonia doesn't have a lot of import exposure, but we will see maybe some substitution as producers look for low cost alternatives. And that, of course, that look for substitutes will move the demand curve out for some of these other nitrogen products. As we unpack in this article, short term, it's all around transportation risk. Long term, it's about energy prices and how much all these products might face additional pressure in the months and years ahead when we find a new equilibrium for natural gas prices.